Today's the day. It's only been like 5 months, but heading up to the Combe. Gonna finally get the Jeep tent installed. It's a whole replacement hardtop combo. So let's get on the road. "76 kilometers away. It'll be time to install the tent. Just got to the Combe, fueled up. It's almost 10 o'clock for my appointment. Let's go to Blind Man Overland and finally get this tent installed. Such a beautiful day. It was supposed to be pouring rain. Just driving up to the Blind Man Overland headquarters as we speak. He's even got the door open, so I wonder if I just drive right in. There's one of those Echo trailers. Here we are, Blind Man Overland. Got the tent installed. Man, that looks sharp. That looks super sharp. Fuck, that looks awesome, eh?
That looks pretty dope, yeah, I like it a lot.
Finally, after 5 months. Typically it shouldn't take this long, but I guess some other company placed a larger order and Blind Man Overland's order got set with them because they had a larger order, which fucked us over royally, because they was supposed to have a delivery date in April. It's now June. I guess it's better late than never. I just got home. I really love these side windows. I just have to finish putting in some larger bolts because with the tray, the bolts I had weren't quite long enough. That's all taken care of now. And this is from inside. It's pretty cozy for sure. Yeah, I can't wait to try this out. This is gonna be awesome. Just got the awning put on. I have an annex room that goes with it. I decided to put the awning on the driver's side. It was gonna go on the passenger side. However, turns out there is a lock on the passenger side to lock the canopy. That might make it a little hard, so that's why I put it there. Other than that, I think I'm gonna be ready for the bush. Well, that's it. So we go camping. Pretty close. That bar is gonna be super close. I guess I got a few inches to spare. Not really the greatest weather to be doing this. However, I need to somehow fit all this into the Jeep. Looks like a lot of shit, but it's not really a lot of shit, trust me. Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff in here already I need to sort out. 2 bundles of wood are gonna be a lot of real estate, but that's gonna start to shrink as the trip goes. A lot of this is like playing Tetris. That blanket will move afterwards. That's not as bad as I'm thinking. There you have it. She is completely full for a 2-day trip. Be a lot easier when MJ comes out camping, then I can fill her vehicle full of all my stuff to make it so lessly packed, so to speak, but gotta make do with what you have. Here we are, all in the garage, ready to go for tomorrow. 2-day trip. First time trying out the tent. I can't wait. We'll see what happens. Anyways, no motherfucking beer time because Boiling Ore is closed today and I only had a few left to take on the trip. It is what it is. Anyways, wish me luck.